Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum to all level 4 superstars of Britain International School System. Hope you are fine. My lovely students, today we are here again with an interesting computer lesson. As in our previous video, we have learned some basic features of Windows Live Photo Gallery. So today we are going to learn about how to fix the red eye. So what is red eye? The unwanted effect that you sometimes get in photographs of people or animals where their eyes appear red because of the reflection of a camera flash or other lights. And the tool we are using for it is Windows Live Photo Gallery. Now what is Windows Live Photo Gallery? It is a discontinued image organizer, photo editor and photo sharing program. When we will be learning about this program, we will explore how to edit your photos and make them look better. So now to understand in detail, let's watch the clip carefully.
Red eye is by far one of the most common problems we encounter when taking photos at night. First, you'll want to find a photo that has red eye like this one here. In order to open the photo, I'm going to double click on it to open it. Before we fix the red eye, I want to describe to you why red eye is caused. In order to do so, I'm going to zoom in closer to these eyes here. Red eye is simply the reflection of light off the back of the eye or the retina. Notice that it is only the pupil or the black portion of the eye that changes. The colored portion of the eye or the iris does not change from its natural color, so we'll need to change the pupil from red to black. In order to change the red eye, we'll first need to zoom in. I want to show you how we zoomed in earlier. You'll notice down here in the bottom right hand corner we have what's called a zoom bar. On the left hand side we have a minus sign, and on the right hand side we have a plus sign. By clicking on the plus sign a couple times, I'll zoom in closer to the eyes. It's going to zoom in to the center of the photo. If you need to change the center of the photo, you can hover your mouse on the photo and you'll now see this hand symbol. Using this hand symbol, I can hold down the left click and drag the photo around to recenter it. Now that I have the eyes centered, I'm going to zoom in a little bit further by clicking on the plus sign a couple more times. We are now ready to fix the red eye. If I click on the Fix Red Eye tool, you'll notice that my mouse changes from an arrow to a crosshair or a plus sign. What I need to do is I need to line up this plus sign so that it's outside of the eye, and then I'm going to draw a box around the eye. I generally like to place the plus sign in the upper left hand corner. Then I'm going to hold down the left click. I'm going to go down and then over to the right so that the red portion of the eye is inside this box or inside this square. When I let go, the red portion of the eye will change from red to black. I'll need to do the same with the second eye. So I'm going to line up the plus sign in the upper left hand corner outside of the eye. Then I'm going to hold down the left click and I'm going to go down and then over to the right so that the red portion is inside this box or inside this square. And when I let go, the red will change from red to black. I can now zoom out to view my results. Once again, remember down here in the bottom right hand corner we have the zoom bar. I can either click the minus sign a couple times, or I can put my mouse on this bar here, hold down the left click, and then drag it to the left in order to zoom out. You can now see that we've fixed the red eye. Remember, to automatically save our changes, we can either click on Close File or double click on the photo.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Hope you understood this clip. Now you have to do the practice. I'll see you soon. Until then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.